The right-hand framing illustrates her oblivion towards the birds as her focus is elsewhere. The climbing frame is centre background which conveys its significance within the extract. Furthermore, Tippi Hedren is placed isolated within the shot as there are no other beings present within the frame, which emphasises her vulnerability and heightens suspense, as well as depicting her significance within the scene, which evokes tension and intrigue from the audience. The setting is also prominent as the playground denotes innocence and safety, which the extract is about to contradict. Is seen preparing a cigarette which serves as a distraction from the birds who are congregating out of the shot. The red nail varnish that Tippi is wearing connotes the danger about to prevail. The mid-shot transition to focus wholly on Tippi aligns the audience with the character, as we are also ignorant to the assembling birds, which evokes a sense of mystery and enigma which coheres to the thriller genre. The shot returns to a mid-shot of the frame, where 4 birds are placed. Enigma is stirred from the audience as we start to wonder why they are suddenly appearing. The natural light impairs the vision slightly of the birds, which heightens the mystery. The camera focus on the protagonist intensifies each time the camera crosscuts from Tippi to the climbing frame, which arouses suspense within the extract. The camera's repetitive close-up alongside with her red nail varnish depict the danger closing in on her. Despite cross-cutting from the protagonist to the crows beginning at a fast pace, the takes gradually steady, creating suspense which is compounded by the eerie nursery rhyme, turning the extract chilling, which is exacerbated by the grey sky. Furthermore, with regards of colour, the contrast of the black crows, which connotes the sinister tone, and the lightness and tone of the protagonist, heightens suspense. The eerie nursery rhyme that plays non-diegetically also possesses the same contrast, as the nursery rhyme itself connotes innocence.
All right, children, now please put your songbooks away, then stand up alongside your desks. We'll go out to recess as soon as everybody gets ready.